Good Saturday to you all. It's a balmy minus 21 degrees Celsius here in Canada. And we're going to make another soap.
Cold, cold, cold.
Oh, that's warm compared to what it was. There's our color palette for this soap, which is called Candied Lime Cerise Cherry.
That's right.
Did I say Cerise right?
Cerise.
I have no clue.
It's a form of pink. Apparently.
And there's my sparkle mix for this. Let's put this all together. If you like us, please like us and subscribe and hit that notification bell. We're on every Saturday. Might start doing more. Adding a lye water solution to the oils. And that's a very full bowl, wouldn't you say?
Very full. And it's going to tip over if you swizzle it around too much. But I guarantee you don't.
Funny
right?
story. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but my stick blender was smoking. Watch to the left. Your left on your screen. And you'll see a waft of smoke come out of the stick blender. And it scared me.
It's done a lot of work, that stick blender.
I think it happens after this, actually. So let's just wait. I'm going to put the cherry and lime fragrance in with some kaolin clay. No, I'm going to pour my piping off first. I don't want fragrance in my piping. So let's do that. Okay, there it goes. The kaolin clay with the cherry and lime. Okay, and then when I put the stick blender in, just watch to the left of your screen, upper left, and you'll see a little waft of smoke.
Pay attention now, people.
Yeah.
You'll see the
unless I'm seeing
smoke.
things. I mean, it scared the crap out of me. You'll see me pause and feel the blender at one point. It didn't feel hot, so I don't know what's going on, but I'm not going to use it again. I'm going to get a different one because, like, I don't want to catch my hair on fire.
I know, but it's done a lot of soap, hasn't it?
There's some of the colors we're using. That brown, I'm going to put its own scent in it. It's just a touch of vanilla because I don't want the vanilla to ruin the colors, the other colors in the soap. So let's get this mixed up here. And we're going to do a drop swirl. Bionic Woman mode.
And there's the old cappuccino whizzer.
Yes, very handy, that little thing.
Great for a lot of things, then, yeah.
Well, and I heard the lime can accelerate. There goes the vanilla into the brown oxide I used. I heard the lime can accelerate, so I was really nervous about mixing too much. A little bit of titanium dioxide.
Everyone's favourite, that.
Yeah, but we're only going to get it to like a cream color. We don't need it too white. There, see, I stopped, so the smoke must have been right before that.
Well, I didn't see any smoke.
No, it happens really fast. I kept using it because I was filming and I was like, oh, okay. So, new stick blender coming my way. What color should I get? Hey? Pink? Lime green?
It's got to be a bright colour, hasn't it? It can't
has
be
to be.
dull.
No, I don't like dull. By the way, it's absolutely snowing like a mofo here. Just when you think it's going to be over. No.
We're all getting winter fever now. We just want spring, the thaw to start now. We've had enough.
I've had enough, yes. So there goes our cream colored base.
But it is staying lighter later, so that's always a buzz.
I believe we put our, let's see, fall back, spring forward. Our clocks go forward.
March sometime.
In March.
Yeah.
Early March, so we'll get even more daylight. And then, what happens in April? Easter. Or is that, yeah, that's in April.
Yeah, April is Easter, yeah.
There goes, see, I put the green in first, and it ends up at the top after. Very strange. So there's Easter, and then May, we'll be in the forest camping for a month.
And hopefully we'll be able to have a bit more better of a time this time than last time.
We did get a new rubber dinghy with a little trolling motor, which should be interesting.
And we're going to hopefully see some nice animals this year again.
Well, not too close to them, but yeah. So I'm just mixing up my piping. The blender's still smoking. I just felt it to see if it was hot there. Did not pick it up on camera very well, I guess, but
Probably
it was
too light wisp to do that.
You know, it was enough for me to notice.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, it's creamy rather than totally white, that isn't it?
Yeah, because you know, I realize my recipe turns white anyway, so don't need a lot of, I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Sorry. I hope I don't. I really hope I don't. Don't sneeze, please. So we're just gonna drizzle some of that color down the side of the piping bag. You know, make the piping more interesting.
Why did you put it on the side and not drop it in the bottom?
Because it would all pour out the tip.
Really?
Yeah. Does that make sense? Like when I pour it,
anyway, when you mix it.
No, not really. Well, no, it stays on the sides of the piping. If I put the drizzle in the center of the bag, it would go right down the center and out the whole of the piping tip.
So how does it all mix in then?
Well, look, watch. See the bag? It's got like stripes of it.
Yeah.
All up and down from the bottom to the top.
Yeah.
And it comes
Oh,
out
it's coming out as a double effect, right, yeah.
Sort of, yeah.
Obviously, I've not been paying attention in the last ones, have I?
No, I don't know where you were probably doing your music.
I always thought you mixed it and to get a certain colour, but no, I get what you're saying.
You can. Sometimes I put different colored piping bags in the piping bag. Does that make sense? Smaller bags of color.
Yeah.
In the big piping bag. To get like really, look at me go with those sparkles. Yay. I love my sparkles. Sorry, I'm gonna even you?
Yeah.
I'm gonna very soon do a low top soap with no sparkles one
That's
day.
great.
Those are my little cherries. And I only fit 9 on there, and I don't know why, but these bars might be a little thicker than usual. Because there's only 9 coming out of that loaf. I'll squish them in there a little bit. So how's everybody doing?
I hope you're all doing well. I mean, I'm sorry I'm drinking water there, but I did a lot of graft before, moving a ton of wet, sandy snow.
Yes, there's a close-up.
No snowblower here, it's all brute force.
Shovel only.
Because that's the way I like it. You can get it done quicker than a snowblower.
I used to do it, and it kept me really fit. That was before you migrated.
So I've got a thirst on me, so...
Yeah, well, I don't think they can hear you drinking your water, so don't worry about it. See how thick those bars are? Watch this. Look at that swirl. I'm in love.
That's a really good effect, that, isn't it?
But tell me how the brown ended up at the bottom when I put the green in first. That is the mystery. Karen said the swirls look like cartoon cherry trees on some of them. I think she's right.
Yeah, I've told you, it's art within art, isn't it? It's
almost
like
looks
everyone's
like a
different.
cherry mushroom. Kind of cute. It smells delicious. And if you're wondering why I'm putting the bars down there, I'm putting them in front of my iPhone camera for Instagram.
So you're picking the nicest ones you want on there.
I'm recording 2 videos at once all the time. It gets a little tricky.
So you've got to plan ahead.
Yeah, I have to go through everything in my head before I start anything at all.
A standard operating procedure.
Yeah, standard operating system. That's my brain. Last piece, and that sliver that's left, I'm sorry, but it's for Karen. She asked for it. And that is Candied Lime Cerise. We hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you're all well. And there's a duo. If you like our videos, like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell. We want to know how you're doing. See you next Saturday. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye-bye.